In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export a Figma file. By the end, you'll confidently export a selected frame, group, or layer from Figma to PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF at the exact scale you need. First, open your Figma file. From the Figma dashboard, click your project and then the file so it opens on the canvas. Wait for the file to finish loading so the panels and layers are visible. Next, select the frame, group, or layer you want to export. You can click it directly on the canvas, or click its name in the Layers panel on the left. When it's selected, you'll see a highlight on the canvas and the layer name will appear at the top of the right side panel. Make sure you've selected exactly what you want to export. If you click the wrong thing, just click once on the correct layer to update the selection. Go to the right side Design panel. This is the default tab at the top of the right panel. If you're seeing Prototype or Dev, click Design to switch back. You should now see properties for your selected layer. Scroll down to the Export section. It's at the bottom of the Design panel. If you don't see it right away, use your mouse wheel or trackpad to scroll down until Export comes into view. Click the plus icon next to Export. This adds an export setting for your selection. Don't worry, this doesn't change your design. It just prepares the output settings for the file you're about to create. Choose your file format: PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. Click the Format drop-down and pick the one you need. Here's a quick guide to help you choose correctly the first time. PNG supports transparency and is a good choice for UI elements or graphics with clean edges. JPG is best for photos or when you want a smaller file size without transparency. SVG is a vector format, ideal for icons and logos that need to scale crisply at any size. PDF is useful when you need a shareable document or print-friendly output. Choose the format that matches how you'll use the exported file. Adjust scale settings if needed, such as 1x or 2x. Click the Scale drop-down or type a value. 1x exports at the layer's actual size. 2x or higher creates larger versions, which is helpful for high-density screens. If you're preparing assets for different screen resolutions, choose the scale that matches your requirements. If you're unsure, 1x is a safe default. You can preview the file size estimate next to the setting to confirm it looks reasonable. Click Export, Layer Name. The button shows Export, followed by the exact name of the layer you selected, so double-check the name to make sure you're exporting the right item. When you click, Figma will generate the file using the format and scale you set. Your operating system may prompt you to choose a save location, or it may save directly to your default Downloads folder. The exported file name will be based on your layer's name, which helps keep assets organized.